This video, I'm going to show you how to translate from English to any other language. In Nigeria, for example, we have three major languages: Igbo, Hausa, and Yoruba. You can translate from English to any of these three languages, or even to any foreign language you have ever known. So what you do is just to go to your browser, open your browser and search for Google Translate. Just type that and search. So when you search, you can see on my search bar on my phone right now, you can see this first translator. That's what you will use. You will see that you can translate from English to any other language. So this first language here, this is where you will translate from to this. So let me change it from Italy to English so I can swap. So I just click on this middle icon. I just click on this. Let me repeat it again. I just click on this to swipe to change it to the other way around. So English to Italy or Italy to English. So let me just type in English, for example. So I enter whatever thing I want to search. I want to type, how are you? How are you? So let's say I want to translate this, which is in English, to Italy. So it is already translated. Look at it here. You see it? So it's already translated. I can do it the other way around. I can also choose to translate from English to any other language apart from this Italy. So what I do is just to change this Italy. I will just change this to the language of my choice. So you can see all the other languages are here. So let me say, for example, I want to translate to Yoruba. So it is already translated. You can see it. So this is the translation. So these are to translate from one language to the other, even if you don't know the language from the beginning or from Adam. You see. So if you get value for this video, you can give it a like and share to at least all the people in your contacts. See you again in another beautiful video like this.